if you want to change language on your iPhone 16e, then first of all, we need to open settings. Over here, we need to choose general and then scroll down to find language in the region and then go there. Over here, we can either switch one of the preferred languages to choose the one that should be primary by using these three lines. So I can do something like this in order to switch to a different language. You can also press add language in order to select a new language that you can use. So let's say we're gonna choose Spanish, and then we can select if you want to use Spanish as the primary language. So you can change the language of your iPhone to that Spanish one in this example, or you can keep using the language that you use right now. So in your case, you probably want to use the new language. And of course, the iPhone will quickly restart, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!